Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put in a Roth conversion in TurboTax. So of course, head over to TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. Proceed with your progresses. You should then be redirected to your dashboard, and in the left panel, click on Federal, then Wages and Income. From our tax breaks, we're just going to click on traditional and Roth IRA contributions. Just head over and click on start. And from here, from the options, we're just going to choose Roth IRA, then proceed. You might be asked if you make a Roth IRA contribution for 2024. Enter in your Roth IRA contributions in this section, then proceed by clicking on continue. And if there are any Roth IRA conversions, make sure that you choose yes. And also tell them the years. Then proceed by clicking on continue. Enter the conversions that was made. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!